I brought out this pap from the fridge yesterday, so it has properly defrozen. So I'll get the quantity I need. This is the pap. It's a mixture of millet and guinea corn. See? Yeah. So I'll scoop the quantity I need. This is the quantity I need. Hope you can see my pap. My pap is whole grain. Let me show you properly. Whole grain. I don't sieve my pap. Whole grain, so that my son gets all he needs, all the protein and all the nutrients that are available for him. This is the water. So I'll add a little bit of water. Scoop. I'm interested in taking, so I'm going to add a little more. And when I bring it out of the fridge, I ensure it doesn't stay too long before it finishes. I brought it out of the fridge yesterday and I used it yesterday, today. By tomorrow, it should be all gone. So I don't allow the pap stay out of refrigeration for more than 3 days. Highest 4 days, and you have to be changing the water so that it doesn't go bad. The fungus will grow on it. So I pour some water over it and leave it. That's it. Cover it and set it aside. Let me trash this. Stir it to ensure it evenly dissolves. Stir it to ensure it evenly dissolves. So this is the consistency I'm trying to achieve. See, not too thick, not too runny. Clean your work area. So now we just basically wait for the water to boil. Once the water boils, we incorporate the pap inside. Okay, now the water is boiling. See? The water is boiling. So you just cook a little, just to be safe. Just to be safe. So you just pour it generously in. And then you stir. Gently stir. Stir. And allow it to cook for just a little while. Let me bring it closer so that you see what I'm doing. Yeah. You know, because this one has more fiber, we do it on the fire. We allow it to steam a bit, to simmer. Let me say simmer a bit before we bring it down. Unlike the regular pap. So if you are scared of making pap and it's not being too good, this could be a go-to kind of pap. You don't have to do it with just hot water on the floor, on the counter, on your working table. You don't have to do it just with hot water in the cup. This one you do it right on the fire, and you are safe. Whether you like it or not, it's going to come out nice. See, nice and good. See, so you just allow it to simmer for just 1 minute and you bring it down on low heat. You don't have to. You see, I reduced my heat. So you allow it to simmer for a while. It's going to look like this. You see what's happening in there? Just gentle simmering. This is for a baby. This consistency is okay. This consistency is okay. It shouldn't be too thick. It shouldn't be too running. It should just be okay. Okay. I think it's 1 minute already. So this is what we have. So it's all done. You turn off the heat. So I'll just finish the one I'm going to give my son. This is his cup. He's 9 months old, so he was exclusively breastfed at this stage. Just a little milk to, you know, increase. I add 2 level spoons. So this is it. Stay. Push up the arms. Okay, all nice and done. So I got a little water here. I'll put the pap inside so that it cools faster for me to give him. He's still asleep, but I'm going to wake him up now. My special pot. I don't know. I cannot throw this pot away. I just love it. It's very convenient. It comes in handy. I've had this pot right from when I was single. If you remember, I converted the bigger one into a feeder, into a drinker rather, for my birds. Yes, I converted that one because I have new pots. I just feel this one comes in handy for warming small portions of things. I made exhaust in that one because I hadn't washed my frying pan by then, so that was why. Okay, let's go give this to my boy. I'll get just a little for myself. My daughter loves pap too. So this is mine. Got one sachet of. The good thing about this whole grain pap is that you don't even need sugar. It's sweet on its own, so you don't need to add sugar to it. You just take it like that and you're good to go. But if you wish to, you can add sugar, it's still okay. Mix it a little if you want, feel like having something sweet. But I'm going to add a little bit of sugar today. A little bit of sugar, just to sweeten it a bit. Stir, 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 stir. So let me go and feed my boy. He's still sleeping.
I wake up, you're the first thing on my mind. You're my sunshine. You make everything so bright. When I wake up, you're the first thing on my mind. You're my sunshine. You make everything so bright. When